Are you ready to create a beautiful watercolor painting? Today we are painting a white magnolia that really stands out. I will show you step by step how to use the colors and layering to make your magnolia look lifelike. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike, so grab your brushes and let's get started. While painting with the background, to make our white magnolia stand out, I'm mixing ultramarine with a little bit of Payne gray to create a deep blue color. First, let's wet the paper around the flower and only leave the magnolia area dry. With a wet brush, I'm applying this color around the shape of the magnolia, leaving the flower areas white. Use broad sweeping strokes to get the wash. The goal is to create a dark background that makes the white magnolia stand out. Let the background dry completely before we move on to the next step. This will help keep our edges clean and sharp when painting the flower and the branches. Now the background is dry. Now let's paint the branches. I'm mixing burnt sienna with ultramarine and a bit of a Payne gray to get a deep earthy brown. With a mop brush, I will use the wet on dry technique to paint the branches. Start at the base and use the tip of the brush to create bold and organic lines. You can use a side brush to press a bit harder in some places to make the branches thicker. Pay attention to your brush strokes. They should follow the natural direction of the branches. You can add a bit of water to your brush to lighten the color and create highlights, adding a natural texture look. This makes the branches look more realistic. has painted a magnolia flower. Since the petals are white, we will just add a hint of a shadow to give them depth. I'm using a very light wash of Ultramarine to add soft shadows where the petals overlap or curve. Dip your brush in light wash and gently apply it to the shadow areas. Keep the shadows light and soft. Next, I will add a touch of a yellow ochre to bring a warm glow to some parts of the petals. This will make the flower look more natural and lifelike. Just a small hint in a few places will do. The mix of cool blue and warm yellow really brings the white petals to life. Now let's add the final touches. If you see any areas that need more shadow or detail, this is the time to add them. You can go back in with a light wash of ultramarine to add more shading on the petals or darken parts of the branches. These small details make your painting look more alive. And there you have it, a beautiful white magnolia watercolor painting with a stunning background. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own masterpiece. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more watercolor tutorials. And remember, you can download the Magnolia drawing from the link in the description to practice on your own. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next or share your own painting experience. Thanks for watching and happy painting, and I will see you in the next video.